everyone, and welcome back to today's video. Ignore the top, it is wet. I've just washed my face and water went everywhere. Anyway, I'm going to be reviewing the AOC Bouncy Bright Eye Serum. I picked this up today at B&M for $1.99, so I wanted to give it a go. I needed another eye cream anyway, so I'm going to give that a try. Now, I'm first going to go in quickly with my serum and then I'm going to try it. I usually put the serum on first. I haven't got a lot of that left now, but I've had this ages. This has lasted a long time. I only put 3 drops on. I usually only use serum at night because I don't like it under makeup. Right. So this is a 10ml product. I think it's Dupe in something, but I can't quite put my finger on it. So if you know what that is Dupe in, let me know. Unless I put it here and I've found out. So just going to open a tab. Oh, a minute. Oh, so it's a pump. So might take a few pumps to get it out. I'm going to pop a little bit on my hands. I usually go and wash my face when I got my nightwear on, but today I just thought I'll just do it now, and yeah, big mistake. Watermark. Come on, are you coming? Oh, are you coming out? This is taking a while. Wow, is it going to go at all? Yeah, there's a good tube. I think it's quite thick. I think that's why. Oh, I'll go again a bit more. I think it is now. Yeah, I'm hearing something. Or I'm imagining it. Oh my goodness. If you get one of these, prepare to wait for a while. It's just not going. Is it too thick? Oh, that's ridiculous. You can kind of hear it, but it's just not going through. It's just not pumping through there. Yeah, I think it's a bit thick, you know. Oh, yeah, it is. It's thick. I'm going to give it a bit more of a go. Move the product around in the bottle a bit. Give it a bit of a shake, and if I can get that out, I will. If not, I'll use it from the pipette. Not a pipette. Tube. Come on. Oh my goodness, how ridiculous. What is the point of giving you this kind of pump if it's not going to go through? Right, forget it. I'm not going to do it. It's obviously not meant to go through that tube, and they've gave a pump for no reason. It is quite thick in consistency, and my guess is because that hole there is very small, it's not going up. It's just not. If I do get it to pump, I'll let you know. Anyway, I popped a little bit on my hand. It is quite thick. And I'm just going to dab it onto my eyes. I watched somebody that did this and I thought, oh, that's nice. I'll stick with this. They say you should use your ring finger because It's the lightest finger. You think it'd be a pinky, but it's not apparently. Oh, that soaked in really nice. This is probably too much product. Seems to be okay over the serum. That's another reason why I've done all of my skincare. Well, we'll be doing all of my skincare because I need to know if it goes on top and stuff, underneath stuff and whatever, you know. Hopefully it'll work underneath makeup. I'll let you know about that one. Just put a little bit there. I might just do my eyelids as well, because there's still a bit of product on my hand. I may as well use it. This feels really nice, very hydrating. Yeah, it does feel really nice. It sinks in really quickly. I'm going to be reviewing this product in a month and tell you how I got on with it. It won't be on this video. Right. That's sunk in really nice. That is a hell of a downside, with it not pumping out that. I mean, the hole there's really small as well. They needed to sort that out. They needed to have the tube a bit thicker and a bit bigger, and that hole a bit bigger so it'd go through more. They didn't really think that through. But anyway, some information for you. This has got vitamin C and squalane in it. Now, I've no clue what squalane is. I'm going to just finish that with the aloe vera Cyclax cream. Eventually took that top bit away because it ended up going flat down and going everywhere. So I'm just going to put this on. That is really nice. I did not need as much product as that. If it had pumped out, it would have been easier. Right, that layers on top really nicely. I'm not having an issue with that at all. Yeah, no piling, no nothing. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so I have some information on this because I did a Google search, image search on Google. Let me see. Right. So, it contains vitamin C and squalane. Aims to keep the skin clear and hydrated, which I think it does. Comes in a 10ml size, is available at B&M stores. Designed to brighten and depuff the eye area. That'd be nice for in the morning before I put on makeup. Can't say I'm noticing much of a difference about depuffing, although I don't think I had puffy eyes anyway. I can't say it's brightened, it looks just about the same to me. May help to reduce appearances of fine lines. That's a bonus. Will it do that? Possibly not. No cream ever does, it's claimed to be yet. Not what I've used anyway. And focuses on tightening and firming the skin. But I will do a monthly update, so we'll see how we get on. Now, if you want to know what squalane is a natural oil-like molecule found in the skin's sebum and used in skincare products for its hydrating and moisturising properties. And actually, let me look at that picture again. Looks like the grapes. No, it's sourced from olives. Right. I don't think you can see that. Anyway, you've seen an olive before. It's sourced from olives. Anyway, so that really felt quite nice. Really nice, and it still feels really lovely. But that's only the first time I've used it. I want to go in for a few weeks with it and see how I get on. There's quite a few skincare products over the road at the minute. There's some that look like they're dupes for the glow, what's the name? I've forgotten it. The glow one with the bright coloured tubs. They've got body cream, it looks like that Soldier Nero one, the bomb cream, or whatever you call it. I don't like the smell of the original that. I'm the only one probably, but I don't like it. Yeah, and they've got this menopause cream there. Skincare for menopause, so might be interested to give that a go. I don't like to go in with too many different things straight away because of my skin sensitive. Yeah, they have got quite a few different bits, and there are a lot of this AOC stuff, different serums and things, other things. So it's quite good at the minute. Anyway, so that's the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got something from it. I will come back in a month's time and do a review of that, or I'll do it on a short. Whoo, a bit breathless. Do it on a short. So I'm going to go, like I said. Please do all the lovely stuff. Like, comment, subscribe, share, and all of that stuff. I will see you again next time. Take care, everyone. Goodbye.